Spec. Unit type. Starter, voltage, 12, rotation, CW, teeth, 9, starter type, PMGR. Replaces OEM numbers, AC DELCO, 323-1483, 323-1623, 323-1644, 336-2002, Arrowhead, 410-12257, Cargo, 112902, DELCO, 8,016, 8,045, 8,150, 8,288, 88,861,935, 89,017,440, 89,018,123, 9,939, General Motors, 12,568,051, 12,578,050, 12,592,294, 12,604,477, 12,610,300, 89,017,440, 89,017,631, 89,018,123, ISUZU, 8,890,176,310, JN, 410-12257, Leicester, 6,494, REMY Light Duty, 26,483, SAAB, 8901-7440, 8901-7631, 8901-8123, WAI, 6494N. Compatible with, replacement for, Rainier 2004-2007, CADILLAC, ESCALADE 2003-2005, AVALANCHE 1500, 2003, 2006, AVALANCHE 2007-2008, Express Vans 2004-2007, Silverado 1500, 2003, 2008, SSR 2003-2004, Suburban 2003-2008, TAHOE 2003-2008, TRAILBLAZER 2004-2008, ENVOY 2004-2009, SAVANA Vans 2004-2007, Sierra 1500, 2003, 2008, YUKON 2003-2008, YUKON XL 2003-2008, ISUZU, Ascender 2004-2006, SAAB, 9-7X 2005-2008. 1-year warranty protects you after your purchase. We're confident that our products will work flawlessly once installed in your vehicle. But in a rare that it does not, well, replace it anytime within 1 year of your order. If you have a problem, we will take every step to assist you. Contact us for a replacement. 100% new aftermarket starter built to meet OEM specifications. Top reviews from the United States. Keep old 8mm ground nut. Fit like OEM starter on 05Z71 Silverado, but had to put old ground nut on to get new nut tighten against wire. Installed new nut, barely any torque, mainly finger tight. Then would just spin, forward and backward, no tight, no off. So used old nut to tighten to get good connection. Other that bullshit. Works great. Happy with product and price.